SecAI Plus Domain 4, AI Governance, Risk and Compliance. Navigating Frameworks, Ethics, and Responsible AI Deployments. Lesson 4.1 Understanding Regulatory Frameworks. Global Requirements, Risk Mapping, and Legal Implications. Identify and understand. Identify global AI governance requirements, GDPR, EU AI Act, and understand their profound legal and operational implications for enterprise AI adoption. Map obligations. Successfully map technical compliance obligations to relevant international standards and frameworks, NIST, ISO, to ensure audit readiness. Learning objectives, frameworks. GDPR and AI. Mandates data protection by design, algorithmic transparency, and the strict right to explanation for automated decision-making. NIST AI RMF. A voluntary framework consisting of 4 core functions: govern, map, measure, and manage AI risks throughout the life cycle. The EU AI Act establishes a strict risk categorization tier: unacceptable, high, limited, minimal, requiring stringent conformity assessments. Major regulatory and risk frameworks. ISO IEC 42001. The global standard for AI management systems, AIMS. Provides a certifiable framework for establishing, implementing, and continually improving an organization's AI governance. Industry-specific needs. Integrating AI within regulated sectors requires overlaying AI controls with existing mandates, such as HIPAA, healthcare data privacy, and PCI DSS, payment card security. Standards and industry regulations. Lesson 4.2 Integrating GRC into AI projects. Lifecycle governance, risk assessment, and vendor management. Lifecycle implementation. Incorporate GRC controls throughout the entire AI lifecycle, ensuring compliance checkpoints are met before deployment and during ongoing operation. Risk and assessment. Implement AI-specific threat modeling and robust risk management practices, including comprehensive documentation and vendor evaluation. Learning objectives, integration. Governance structures. Establish dedicated AI ethics boards and cross-functional review committees, legal, IT, security, data science, to oversee deployments. Risk assessment. Utilize AI-specific threat modeling methodologies, example, mitigating data poisoning versus traditional buffer overflows. Documentation. Maintain rigorous artifacts including model cards, model constraints metrics, data sheets, and data protection impact assessments, DPI. Structures, audits, and documentation. Compliance checkpoints. Enforce strict go-no-go gates, including thorough pre-deployment audits for bias and security, followed by continuous production monitoring for concept drift. Vendor management. Evaluate third-party AI services rigorously. Verify their compliance posture, data residency guarantees, and their own model supply chain security, SBOM for AI. Ongoing monitoring and vendors. Lesson 4.3 Ensuring Responsible AI Use. Ethics, explainability, bias mitigation, and transparency. Ethical guidelines. Translate abstract ethical principles into concrete technical safeguards for AI systems, ensuring fairness, accountability, and user transparency. Legal and practical deployment. Meet legal standards for deployment by implementing bias detection mechanisms, explainable AI, XAI, tools, and maintaining human oversight. Learning objectives, responsible AI. Bias mitigation. Actively identifying and neutralizing discriminatory patterns embedded within historical training datasets to ensure equitable AI outcomes. Explainable AI, XAI. Utilizing tools like SHAP or LIME to unpack black box models, making the rationale behind AI decisions understandable to human auditors. Human in the loop. Designing workflows, HITL, that maintain manual oversight, allowing human experts to intercept, review, or override critical AI decisions. Pillars of responsible implementation. Fairness, ensuring algorithms do not disadvantage specific protected groups based on race, gender, or socioeconomic status. Accountability, defining clear liability and responsibility if an AI system causes harm, makes a critical error, or breaches compliance. Transparency, meeting legal requirements to disclose to end users when they are interacting with an AI, example, a chatbot, and providing rationale for automated decisions affecting them. Ethics and transparency core principles.